Welcome to Mortem Tyrannus Armory. My name is Jordan Maseko, and today we're doing the no BS breakdown of the Springfield Armory Saint Victor chambered in 5.56. Let's get into it. We want to make sure that we're being safe with our firearms, so we're going to go ahead and put it on safe. That way we don't shoot ourselves. We're then going to pull the magazine out by pushing down on the magazine release, pulling that out, setting that aside since we don't need it. We do still need to make sure that there is no round in the chamber, so we're going to go ahead and pull back on our charging handle, push down on the bolt catch, pushing our charging handle back so the bolt is locked in the rear position. That way we can inspect it, make sure that there is nothing left in the chamber, and we're done with that part. We're going to go ahead and push on the bolt catch and release. We're going to release it and let the bolt ride forward. Flip it over, and we are going to push in our takedown pins. We have two, one in the front, one in the rear. We're going to go ahead and push down on those, popping them out slightly on the other side here and here. We're going to go ahead and pull them up out towards ourselves, and then this will allow you to take the lower receiver off of the upper receiver, and this will allow us to break down the weapon further. All right, now that we've taken the lower receiver away from the upper receiver, we're going to take this, flip it up towards ourselves. We're going to pull the charging handle back. This will allow the bolt carrier group and the charging handle to come out. That way we can then clean our firearm, which will be in a video coming very soon. And that is the simple field stripping of the Springfield Armory Saint Victor. Now we're going to work on putting it back together. Okay, just like any firearm, the way you take it apart, you're going to put it back together in reverse. So we're going to go ahead and grab our upper receiver, flip it up towards us, then we're going to grab our charging handle. And as you can see, there are two little notches just inside right here and right here. That is where your notches here are going to fit into. So you're going to slide it into the bottom, find those grooves, slide it in slightly. Then you're going to take your bolt carrier group. You're going to put this top piece upside down with the star point facing towards the gun. You're going to put it in on top, slide it forward. That'll grab your charging handle. You'll hear a little snap, and that's how you know that your upper receiver has been put back together properly. We're going to put the lower and the upper back together. We took those takedown pins out of these little holes here, so we're going to go ahead and take our upper receiver, flip it upside down, take the lower receiver upside down as well, lining those two things together and pushing our pins back in so that way the lower and the upper are connected like they were before. Now that we have reassembled our firearm, we are ready to put our magazine back in and make the gun ready. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And just for fun, we're going to lock the bolt to the rear so we can have that satisfying snap, and we are ready to go.